Welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes. If you like quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance finds, thrift store flips, rescue puppies, and some random fun thrown in there, then you're in the right place. So today I'm going to be doing some Mackenzie Childs inspired decor pieces. Now I love Mackenzie Childs. Honestly, I can't afford it. But if you can, great, kudos to you. But last year, during their summer sale, which I think is actually going on now, I got these. It's a 2-pack of their Courtly Check wrapping paper for $19, which I'm sure you're thinking, $19 is a lot for wrapping paper. But if you look at the prices of their items, it's a pretty good deal. And I got 2 rolls to craft with. So I will try to link their sale in the description box below so you guys can check them out. You can use the wrapping paper. They have napkins. They have paper plates you could cut up. I will also show there is similar paper at Hobby Lobby that you could use as well. So if you like Mackenzie Childs, or if you've never heard of Mackenzie Childs, then come check out this video. I will post the inspiration pieces, pictures of them in the video as well, so you can see what inspired me to do these pieces. I also have drawn the winner to my America giveaway with all those fun little American gnome pieces. That winner will be hidden in this video, so you gotta keep your eyes peeled to see if you won. If you are the winner, I do ask that you email me as soon as possible. I will put my email address in the description box below so I can get these goodies out to you. If I do not hear from the winner by the time I post my next video next Wednesday, I will redraw because I do want to get these prizes out to you. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps this girl out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Come on, join my family. I'm only like 40 subscribers away from 400, and then I can do my big 400 subscriber giveaway to say thank you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, for this first project, you'll need a tin bucket. I got this one from a thrift store. It does have edges here just to be aware of. I also have this bucket, which I got from a thrift store, and these edges are flat. So I'm actually going to use this piece here. You're going to need some, if you want to use, this is Mackenzie Childs Courtly Check gift wrap that I got on sale. 2 rolls of gift wrap for $19. I believe they're actually having their sale right now for 50% off. You can also use this pattern paper from Hobby Lobby. You're going to need a ruler, scissors, a pencil, your trusty face mask applicator for the glue gun so you don't burn your fingers, and your glue gun. So I cut a piece of the wrapping paper down, and you're going to use your scissors and ruler and pencil to do so. And then I am going to adhere this with glue and then wrap it around. You're not going to believe how easy this is. You can also use a flower pot that I think would be super cute to use instead. So I'm using my spatula here so I don't burn my fingers, because save the fingers. And then I'm just going to wrap my wrapping paper around. Haha, get it? Wrap it around. And then I'm going to adhere some more glue down. All the glue strings. And then I'm going to just cut the excess off. And now, voila! I have a cute tin that I can use to store brushes in, utensils in. I can put flowers in there, and it's just as easy as that. Alright, for our second project, you'll need a picture frame. I got this at my local thrift store. It's a little bit chunkier, a little bit nicer than the ones you can find at the Dollar Tree, but you can use the ones from the Dollar Tree if you want. You'll need the Courtly Check wrapping paper. I also want to mention you can use, they have napkins and paper plates that you could purchase and use as well. Or as I mentioned, they have this pattern paper at Hobby Lobby. And then you'll need some sunflower stickers. I wanted to use the sunflower patch from the Dollar Tree, but I didn't think about it until after I had already left the store. And of course, when I went back, what is it? It's gone. So I got these stickers at Hobby Lobby. You're going to need a ruler, a pencil, scissors, and a glue stick. So my picture frame is a 5x7, so I will need to measure out a 5x7 piece of this wrapping paper. So let's see, that is 7. This is 5. I'm sorry, 7. And then I need it by 5. Which brings it to here. So this way I know where I am cutting. And then I'm going to open up my picture frame that I got for $1 at my local thrift store. And before I do it, so if you have something you want to attach the paper to, you can. You can actually, if you want to just glue it to this piece here, you can. We're going to try to give that a go, so I'm going to take the glass out. Stickers there. I'm going to use my glue stick that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then here, glue all over it. If you have a piece of cardstock, you can use that as well. Which probably would have been easier than trying to do this craziness. But that's alright, we learn as we go. So hopefully this will work. Let's put it in here. Needs a little bit more at the top. So I'm going to see if I can remove it and then replace it. Close her up, make sure it covers everything. It does. So just smooth this out the best that I can. And then I'm going to take one of these sunflower stickers. Actually, I'll just cut it. Is anybody else sad that Hobby Lobby did away with their coupons? Like, I'm so sad. Because fortunately, when I bought these stickers, they were on sale because I don't pay full price for anything. I got that motto from my dad. Thank you, Dad. He always would never pay full price for anything. He would wait till it was on sale or he had a coupon. And then I'm going to just stick my sunflower there. Put the glass back in. Fold that back over. Slide these little bracket things over. That are always. Anybody else struggle with these little bracket things? Because it seems way more complicated than it needs to be. And then I have my sunflower on my Mackenzie Childs Courtly Check picture. All right, for our final project, you'll need one of these little wooden trays from the Dollar Tree, some wooden beads that you can now purchase at the Dollar Tree. You're going to need some chalk paint, which I got from the Dollar Tree, and a paintbrush, same thing. You're going to need your Mackenzie Child Courtly Check gift wrap, or a napkin, or paper plate, or paper piece from the Hobby Lobby. You're going to need your ruler, your scissors, your pencil, and your trusty glue gun. So you're going to want to paint your tray black, and then you're going to want to paint your wooden beads black as well. And then you're going to measure the tray so you can cut your piece of paper to go inside. So this one looks like it is, it'd probably be easier to do centimeters. About 16 centimeters long by a little over 11 centimeters wide. So I'm going to take my paper here and measure this out. So about 16 centimeters long. Puts it right here. And it was a little over 11 centimeters wide. We'll guesstimate about right there. And the cool thing about having the wrapping paper is you'll have plenty, so if you make a mistake, you'll have lots to try again. And it would help if I could trace a straight line, which apparently is way harder than it needs to be. Okay. Nope, still not quite there yet. Oh my goodness. I swear I passed elementary school, guys. I really do. Alright, that's as good as it's going to get for now. And then I'm going to cut your paper out. Oh, I also forgot to mention you're going to need your trusty glue stick or Mod Podge. All right, let's see if it fits. Okay, it seems to be a little bit too long, so I will trim some off the excess here. Let's try that and see if it fits. And then I'm going to trim a little bit off the edge here. Okay. So now, here's my trusty glue stick. Trusty glue stick or Mod Podge, whatever you want to do. I'm going to cover this bad boy with your glue or Mod Podge, whichever you want to do. And then we're going to lay it in here. Cool thing about the glue stick is you can kind of move it around if you need to. Alright, so we got the inside there. And then I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to glue the wooden beads with the flat portion flat in each corner. And then, when we turn it over, we have a super cute, get this glue bits out of here, this super cute stand. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. Isn't that adorable? You could put that in your vanity. You could put it in your craft room on display. I think it is just absolutely